Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are in the day 230 and we'll discuss the topic AI for researchers. So what is the significance of artificial intelligence for researchers? So AI could assist the researchers in various stages of their research journey, such as literature review and data analysis. The researchers must utilize the power of AI in an ethical manner. No doubt, it is very useful. They can use AI, but in an ethical manner. So don't forget this. Ethics should be followed. So I would like to suggest all the researchers, it's my suggestion, to harness an awesome online self learning opportunity known as AI for All by Intel and Ministry of Education, Government of India. So you just have to go to their website, you get yourself registered there, then log in and start the course. The whole course is divided into two categories, that is AI Aware and AI Appreciate. So first you have to complete AI Aware. That will give you the knowledge regarding the basic knowledge regarding the artificial intelligence. That what is artificial intelligence? Just it will enhance your awareness towards artificial intelligence. And after completion, you will receive one batch. And then you have to go for the AI Appreciate if you want. So, what AI Appreciate does, it will give you the advanced knowledge regarding artificial intelligence. So, after completion of AI Appreciate, your whole program gets completed and you will receive the another batch for AI Appreciate also, and for the completion of the program you will receive one certificate, completion certificate. So it is very nice platform. I personally did this course and I'm feeling very confident. There are certain things that you know, but you don't know in an organized manner. So you just go there and register and start this program. Believe me, you will feel very much confident because every content is explained there in a very organized manner. So organization is a very essential factor. So gaining knowledge in an organized way, it is very important. So it's my personal suggestion that everyone, as the name suggests, AI for all, and according to me, everyone, every citizen is a researcher. So it's our personal responsibility to harness the facilities that are being provided to us from our country. So we have to just take one step forward towards the research facilities that are being provided. So hope you understood my point and suggestion. So don't wait, go and gain knowledge, enhance your skills. So work hard. Thanks a lot.